Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got a brand new portable Bluetooth speaker that literally blew me away the first time I heard it. It's from our good friends over at Comiso, and it's got a lot of features you won't find in other Bluetooth speakers, especially at this price. Now, before I get too deep into all the features this product provides, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And then I'll dive into the specifications first and talk more about what separates this from a lot of other Bluetooth speakers on the market, because let's be honest, there's a lot of companies that make portable Bluetooth speakers. They don't all sound the same. A lot of the specifications are a little bit sketchy, and then when you get them home and you turn them on, they don't really sound that great. This one sounds pretty amazing. So I'll get into all that in a minute, but let's get started with the unboxing first. So when you first pop open the box, you'll find the unit. Again, a really rugged frame. It's got an IP6 rating, so you can take it with you to the beach, you can take it to the pool. It's got a really nice handle on the top. It's well balanced as well. A lot of Bluetooth speakers, they're kind of odd shapes, right? This one is really easy to take with you. All the controls are on the top, and all the accessory plugins are on the rear. Also included is a charging cable, and they give you a nice long heavy-duty charging cable. It's a USB-C to USB-C, so the USB-C end will plug into the unit. The other end of this can plug into any standard USB-C wall charger. And the nice thing about this is it uses USB 3.1, which means you can charge this with a fast charger up to 40 watts, so you can charge it really quickly. Also included is a friendly reminder, because there's a lot of buttons on the top and they do different things, and a lot of times people are lazy and they don't want to read through the manual, so that'll tell you the basic functions of what the product can do. And then also is full instruction manuals also included that gives you everything you'll ever want to know about this speaker, how to use it, how to charge it, what all those buttons do, what you can connect in the rear. It's got a lot of really good information in it, so always read through that manual. All right, so some basic specifications. This unit can provide up to 150 watts of peak power. That is plenty of power to fill a room, to fill your backyard with music, and it won't distort. And that's the key thing. A lot of these speakers, when you get them up towards that high end, when you really crank it up, they start breaking up. You lose the bass, they start to get really tinny. This has a 4.5-inch woofer in it. The bass on this is phenomenal. It also gives you an equalizer that you can use to adjust the tone of it for the particular setting, because obviously if you're indoors, you want a little different acoustics than when you're outdoors, so you can adjust that. It also gives you the ability to pair this with another speaker through TWS. Now, if you don't know what TWS is, it's a Bluetooth standard that came out a few years ago called True Wireless Stereo, where one speaker can recognize another speaker, and instead of all the music coming through this speaker, it'll split it into stereo channels, so you can actually add a second one of these units and have a stereo setup with this Bluetooth connection, which I think is pretty cool. It uses a standard Bluetooth 6-dot connection, which means it's the latest Bluetooth out there. It's going to give you really good performance. It's going to give you phenomenal audio quality, and it pairs with pretty much anything that has a Bluetooth connection. Now, the unit itself, you can charge it in a couple of hours, and believe it or not, you'll get up to 12 hours of use out of this unit. Now, I haven't run it that long, but I've had it out in the back deck for about 3 hours, and I was playing an awful lot of my favorite music, and I'm telling you, I really enjoyed it. Now, I'm going to show you how it sounds in a minute, but the other thing I want to talk about is a lot of these Bluetooth speakers are simply that. So you can pair them to your phone or your tablet or your computer, whatever you want to play music from, but that's about as far as they go. This one gives you other auxiliary connections on it. So for example, if you have a wired microphone with a 1/4-inch plug on it, you can plug it directly in here and use it as an amplifier. You can also use it with an auxiliary connection, because a lot of older equipment didn't have the ability to pair over Bluetooth. So it's got a 3.5mm port on the rear. You can connect the cable up from this to a headphone jack on something else and play that through the unit. It also has a USB connection on the back. It's a USB-A port that you can load some songs up on a thumb drive, slide it in the back, and have your own little karaoke machine where you can play the music from that thumb drive, which I think is pretty cool. Another nice feature is because it's got a gigantic battery inside, and I'll get to that in a minute, you can actually use this as a portable battery bank when you're out in the field. So imagine playing songs from it while you charge your phone at a picnic, and I think it's pretty cool. All right, so here's where the confusion comes in around the battery. Now, if you look at the listing, it says it has a 5,000 milliampere hour battery in there. Now, that battery wouldn't carry playing the unit for very long. What they meant by that was there are 4 5,000 milliampere hour batteries, which is really 20,000 milliampere hours of power. So that gives you up to 12 hours of use out of the unit. And the key thing there is the more bass you get, the more energy you're going to use. So to get a lot of bass out of the unit, they needed quite a bit of battery power. So 20,000 milliampere hours is pretty good. All right, so let me show you what it sounds like real quick, and we'll take it from there. All right, I'll turn it on. Ready to go. I've got my phone over here. I've already paired it up. And I'll just pick a song. I want you to hear the bass on this because boy, oh boy, has this thing got some decent bass. I can't help but dance. Okay. Now I've got other adjustments in the equalizer there where I could change that a little bit if I'm outside, if I want a little bit more high end or mid range. Let me stop the music. Man, I love this. I love the speaker. All right, there we go. All right, so you heard the bass on that. And again, any portable speaker has a real challenge with producing bass because it depends on the size of the woofer. It's got to have a lot of mass because bass needs to resonate from something really, really heavy. This has just enough mass. When you carry it around, it's easy to bring with you because you got this great handle on the top of it. It doesn't weigh that much, but it's got enough mass where it can generate that bass, which is all I care about in a portable speaker. Because some of the other ones that are smaller and odd shaped, they do an okay job of producing the high end and the mid range, but it sounds tinny. You're missing all that bass. And for me, if you're listening to any kind of funky music or any kind of country, even rock and roll, that bass is part of the song. You really need to hear that. And this one does an exceptionally good job of providing that bass. So I think it's a wonderful product, and I know you have a lot of choice out there on what kind of Bluetooth speaker you want to use. There are some that are really expensive, that are really high end. Probably a little dangerous to bring those out in the outdoors with you. And then there are some that are less expensive. So you might be saying, well, I'm just looking for something that's inexpensive. You're not going to be happy with them. This one fits right in that Goldilocks zone where it's got a lot of the features and especially the sound of the higher end speakers. It's not as inexpensive as some of the other ones, but it fits right in the middle where it's, I think, a phenomenal speaker for the money, and it's in the price range of most budgets. So give it a look. I've got a link below if you want to check it out. I think they make a great product, and I've used it for the last couple of weeks. I'm telling you, it's now my favorite speaker, and I can't wait to take it out this summer. So that's all I really had for today. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.